The sound's gonna suck on this video, but I just wanted to show basically the clothing line that I started to you guys. And I'm gonna leave the links so you guys can go check out this merch that I got, the Resilient Gang merch. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I know there's a buzzing noise in the back of this audio, and the dryer's going, and it's fucking annoying. But bear with me just for this video. I just want to show you guys what I got going on here. So check this out. Right. Okay. So I am resilient. Hashtag I am resilient sweaters. Be resilient hoodies. And then we got the I don't need a gun. I got Jesus. Fire with the shirt. I made all of these, by the way, and with teespring.com. And so basically with teespring.com, you can basically just create a design and have it. They have these sweaters and shirts and all of these different things already prepared, and you just put your logo or your design or whatever it is. You can just upload it, bam, and then they put it on these shirts and these sweaters, whatever you can choose. And then when somebody orders, it automatically gets printed and shipped out to them. I don't even touch anything. I don't gotta do nothing. It's all automated. Okay, that's what Teespring is. So I don't hold any merch. I don't have to buy anything. I don't gotta do nothing. You know, I create the design. They give me a format sweater to put it on. Bam, when somebody orders it, that's exactly what you're gonna get. Exactly what you see. So then you got the iPhone case. You know what I'm saying? I am resilient. iPhone case. I always believed in me. Hashtag resilient. Woman's sweater. And then you got the hot fire the leggings. You know what I'm saying? The leggings for the chicks, for my female supporters. You know, they can get that, right? So that's dope. There's even a blanket. A blanket? I am resilient blanket. Bro, that's the law of attraction if you ever seen it. And you want to know what's even better? You can have this canvas on your wall that says I am resilient. At the same time, looking at your phone that says hashtag I am resilient. At the same time, going to sleep with a blanket that says hashtag I am resilient on it. And then with your pillow that says I am resilient, and you're sleeping like that, and then you wake up, you go to have a shower, right? And then you got the I am resilient towel to dry your resilient ass off, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then if you're a female, you can, squeeze your resilient ass into these hashtag I am resilient leggings. Like, and then when you're done doing that, you can put your I am resilient socks on and get your resilient ass out the door wearing your resilient I am resilient sweater. Like, I don't understand. Who wouldn't want to buy it? Who wouldn't want to be involved in this movement? So all my supporters, all my followers, this is a way that you can support me and support the movement. Resilient Gang, you already know. And yeah, man, it just represents who you are as a person, as a character, you know what I mean? And it also, it empowers you at the same time when you're moving like that. When you first of all, I'm going to order all of this stuff, and I'm gonna wear it, in my videos and stuff like that, because that's just how she goes, right? And then on top of it, yeah, man, like, that's such an empowering thing, man. And that's for the wall. This thing right here is you can put that. It's a big, like, huge flag for your wall type thing. Yeah, man, it doesn't get no better than that. You know what I'm saying, guys? So if you guys wanna, support the movement, I would suggest that you get yourself something from this store and make a video. If you want, you can make a video, shout out Cory Resilient and Resilient Apparel, right, which is my clothing line, and you know what I mean, and just, give a little story about, do whatever you want, you know what I'm saying? That's just an option. You know what I mean? That's the way that's what I would, and I am gonna order, things from my store, and I'm gonna make a video showing, I'm wearing the sweater to go along with my story and why I created the clothing line, why I created the YouTube channel and stuff like that. It's all for empowerment, inspiration. That's all it's about, really, you know what I mean? To be resilient, man, that's it, man. Because, we've had a lot of things put against us in life. And you know what? You know what is beautiful? Is people that have been stepped on, spit on, falsely accused, falsely imprisoned, whatever, man. Just like Jesus, you know what I mean? But then we bounce back, resilient game, bro. Hashtag I am resilient. What are you talking about? It doesn't get any realer than that, man. It don't get any more empowered than that. You know what I'm saying? That's a beautiful thing when you can flip the script on a world that's trying to smash you and put you down in this world. You know what I mean? You laugh in the face of the devil. I am resilient, bro. You can't stop me. They wiped me off the internet on Facebook. They took all my profiles away for no reason. I was blue badge verified on Facebook as Sincere Music. I had multiple online businesses running through Facebook that was making me money. And they took me right out. As soon as I started exposing governmental corruption and things along those lines, out of nowhere, I woke up one day, I had 3 different profile accounts wiped out, and all the pages connected to them wiped out. Saying I was about, bro, I'm a professional advertiser. I started a social media marketing agency called Sincere Marketing British Columbia, first on Google, verified on Facebook. Why would I abuse their platform when I'm using it, making them money, making money myself? It was not about that. It was about the fact that I was using it to expose governmental corruption and evil and Satan and the whole system attached to it. Because when you do that, you get wiped out like Alex Jones. But anyways, this is how, before they wipe me out, this is what I'm trying to say. Before they get rid of me on YouTube, this is an opportunity for me to build an empire. You know what I mean? Before they take every opportunity away from me to be able to leverage myself financially using the internet. Because I've tried to be a part of this slave system, and I've done labor jobs, and went to school. I went to college to take social services. Bro, I've been working, been having apartments, paying rent. I've been doing it all my life, and I'm figuring it out. God showed me a way out, and this is the way out. But before things get too deep, and I really, put my foot on the throat of the devil, and I start really reaching millions of people and exposing on a mass level, and then they wipe me out like Alex Jones, I need to make $1 million before that happens, because I'm going to take that $1 million and build my own platform based off of the corruption from YouTube and Facebook, and then my people are going to shift. The whole world might end up shifting to there, because look at what they're doing to us, right? And then, boom, we got our own movement based in our own platform based off freedom of speech. I don't know what's going on with the camera. It's tripping. But anyways, this is my plan. Okay, so if you're in a position, and if this is something that you would support, please do so. Click the link. I'm going to you can't miss it. It's going to be in the description, and it's going to be in the pinned comments, and I'm going to heart it. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, then grab a sweater, grab a phone case, anything you want from here. Even if you don't have a lot of money, grab one thing per month. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna, I mean, you might think $50 for a sweater is expensive, but it's not about really the sweater. You know what I mean? And it's the highest premium quality material that I could select, because you could select standard, I got the premium quality sweaters, man. So, in the end of the day, it's not about the material, it's about the message. I am resilient. It's who you are. So $50, $60, $70, $80, $100 is nothing. You know what I mean? To represent that. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter about that. So don't let that disencourage you. It's about that. You know what I mean? It's about the pricing or anything like that. I only make $10, $20 profit off each item anyways. I don't make the whole amount, right? So think about it. I'm only making $10 off each time somebody buys one of these sweaters, right? Max $20. And I even lowered the profit margin so that way it was cheaper for people to buy and I got less profit. So think about that, man. You gotta see my intent. You gotta understand the plan. And there's a reason. I have to get this. This has to happen. And I need to get my money up. And, you know, if I reach 100,000 subscribers, you know, and they see what I'm trying to do, I don't have any doubt in my mind that, you know, I could get 50,000 people to buy a sweater or to become a Patreon or even donate $5. What's $5 times 50,000? Like, that's, you're made off that. But think about it. It's not that my intent is to get made off that. It's what you guys know who I am and what I'm going to do with that money in the system. And I'm going to create a platform for us to be on where we don't have to deal with YouTube and Facebook wiping us out for talking the truth. You know what I mean? That's one goal. You know what I mean? I got a crappy laptop that's gonna die any minute. I got a smashed Android phone that doesn't even hardly work. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to do my best, man, and my intent is pure. So it's not about money. You know, if it was about money, I would be a drug dealer again, you know, and like rob people or something, you know what I mean? But no, I stay humble. I stay suffering for the purpose of not feeding into sin, because God showed me a new way, and I don't want to live that. I don't want to live a sinful lifestyle, and I don't want to be a miserable skinhead, pissed off construction worker all my life when I have a creative side to me that could change lives, that at the same time generate me large amounts of income that's only going to go back to my people. I'm also thinking about creating my own financial economic system, like welfare, but not control people. Like, imagine, like, look at Mr. Beast. You know what I mean? Mr. Beast, he just 10 racks, 20 racks, 100 racks, just dropping it in people's donation bins for no apparent reason at all. No reason at all. Like, even he did it to PewDiePie, and PewDiePie's like probably a fucking millionaire. Well, he is a millionaire. He makes like $1 million a month off his YouTube channel just in ad revenue, not to mention like sponsorships and everything else. He's super rich. And I think the same thing happened with Mr. Beast, but look at him, man. Look at what he does for people. He's just donating, drop, bam, 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 you know what I mean? But that's the kind of person I am, and that's the kind of person, that's the type of stuff that I would be doing if I had the money like that. Oh man, just craziness. I don't care about it. Like, I'll lose it all. I'll make $1 billion and give it out and be like, oops, oh well, I've been broke all my life. What's the fucking difference? Let's do it again. Bam. Because if you can make $1 million or you can make $1 billion, you can always make it again, because you have built a trade within yourself to be able to do something like that. You know what I mean? So you have the skill asset now to do it again. It don't matter. You know, if you lose all that money, you can do it again. If you did it once, you can do it again. So that's my plan, guys. If you support that, I'm gonna leave. You know, you can become a Patreon. You can donate. You can buy a sweater or anything from this store. I'm gonna leave all the links, and I encourage you to do so if you feel like you want to. You know what I mean? I don't ever try to beg or ask for money or anything like that. It's not about that, as you can tell. Okay, and check it out. Follow it. Follow the movement on Instagram. I just made this for the store, right? See, Cory Resilient, Teespring, Resilient Apparel, and then, you know, I got some things going on here for people to see. But yeah, right? This is dope, man. I'm happy about this. Just to have it, I'm happy about it. It's cool. I'm gonna buy it myself, except for the leggings, because I'm not a female. If I had a chick, then I would get them for her, and we would be Resilient Gang. You already know. So if you are, my future wife, and you're seeing this, hit me up, and you can, get you some of these. Anyways, stay blessed, stay resilient, guys. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share this video. What if it went viral, and then I sold 1 million sweaters? We're all rich. Peace out, Resilient Gang.